One of the areas of my research interest is the study of institutions that have shaped Armenian identity. For instance, when we talk about the Armenian ethos, throughout history, I would say there have been three pillars which have been significant and constant: the church, school, and books or intellectual production. In modern terms, we could call these spiritual moral values, education or love of learning, or imastasirutyun, love of meaning, and communications. These three pillars or institutions have defined, maintained, and developed Armenian identity, especially in the diaspora, for at least the last 3 centuries, I would say. In my search to trace back this love for education of Armenians in history, I came across a very interesting historical gem. That, for instance, Armenians were playing chess as early as the 12th century. Of course, as we know, interestingly, chess was made part of the national curriculum in schools in Armenia a few years ago. As it is known, chess originated in India in about 1500 years ago, and it spread to Persia, and through Persia found its way into Armenia, known as Jadrag, from the Persian Jadrank. We know that Armenians were playing chess at least as early as the 12th century. For instance, in the works of poet Catholicos Grigor Dagha, there is a mention of chess playing in his well-known work known as Vohb Yerusalemi. There's also scholar Vartan Hatsuni of the Mekhitaris Fathers, who even provides a description of how chess was played in medieval Armenia. For instance, it was played with 64 pieces by 4 people, a sort of doubles chess, 2 against the other 2. Very interesting. Wonderful gems like this in history tell us that there are so many elements in Armenian culture and identity that have developed and been shaped throughout the centuries and have reached us now in the 21st century in, of course, various changes and formations. But most importantly, what is also remarkable, how individuals, how various actors in history and today take part in the process of this construction of identity.